Good day. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, good day to you, ma'am and sir. I am Ermine Gating. I am 34 years old. I finished 2-year vocational course with Certificate of Manufacturing Technology. I live in General Trias, Cavite. I am married and I have one son and one daughter. I have also one brother and he is 30 years old.
Tell me about your working experience as a domestic helper.
As I work as a domestic helper in the Philippines last January 2021 to January 2024.
How many helpers in the house?
Only me.
Did you renew your contract?
No, because I want to expand my experience as domestic helper in other countries.
What will you do in the house start from the morning?
First, ma'am, I will fix myself and prepare food for my employer. After, I clean the house, including windows and wall, wash clothes, ironing, and sometimes I wash car for my employer.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn and give money to support my family's financial needs and to prove that I can be a good household workers in other countries.
How can you manage your homesick?
Homesick is normal, but I will surely control my homesick by making myself busy doing household chores.
Tell me about your experience in taking care of newly born baby.
In my experience, I am the one who look after the baby. I do feeding, changing clothes, changing diaper, prepare vitamins, and sterilize the bottles.
What will you do if the baby has a fever?
First, I will check the temperature using the thermometer, and then I will call my employer to inform them what happened to the baby.
Do you have experience of taking care of elderly?
No, but I treat the elderly like my own parents. And I will follow all the orders and respect and give them respect every time I talk to them.
Can you promise not to break your 2 years contract?
Yes.
And how could you manage it?
Yes, I promise not to break my 2 years contract. I can manage it by showing positive attitude to my employer. I promise to finish whatever commitment signed with them.
Can you sing a song like nursery rhymes?
Yes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Tell me about your cooking